What's up everybody, hope you're having a great day and thank you so much for watching this video. As always, make sure to go subscribe and like this video if you enjoy this content. So let's get started. It was not a good day for the owner of this bright pink McLaren 570s. This incident took place in central London where the streets are very narrow. The owners of these supercars, as always, were obeying the speed limit. He had both of his hands on the wheels and was 110% obeying every traffic law in his country. In the other hand, there was a Volkswagen Golf, heavily tuned, pulling 200 miles per hour, fast approaching the McLaren. It is said that the Volkswagen Golf was packing a whopping 1200 horsepower to the wheels. The poor McLaren did not even know what hit him when the VW Golf came from literally underneath the ground like the Undertaker and plowed in the McLaren into oblivion. Wait, that is not what happened? The McLaren was actually speeding in a 20 mile per hour zone and crashed into the innocent bystander car? That sounds more like the story we typically hear. Luckily, no one was hurt, but by the looks of it, the McLaren is going to be quite a repair bill. This car can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and has a top speed of 203 miles per hour. The driver of the McLaren apparently lost control as he was driving well over the speed limit and hit the VW Golf that you see in the pictures. Let's hope these supercar drivers learn that in this country we have speed limits. I don't know if they knew that, but make sure you tell them. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. Like I said, thank you for watching the video and peace out, guys. Make sure to subscribe.